Do you want to buy cryptocurrency but aren't quite sure how? No worries. Binance provides a variety of different options. You can buy Illuvium, ILV, quickly and easily with the lowest possible fees and the highest possible level of security wherever Binance is available. Find out how to make a purchase of Illuvium, ILV, using the Binance app right now. So in this video we will discuss about how to buy Illuvium token. Before we begin, subscribe to our channel now for more. Illuvium is the first ever interoperable blockchain game, IBG, which is a term coined by the platform itself and means that it consists of a number of blockchain-based games linked to one another. The term interoperable blockchain game, IBG, was first used to describe Illuvium. It was constructed using the Ethereum network, and its development has been ongoing since the year 2020. Over 100 different NFT Illuvials are available for players to hunt down, collect, and discover. These Illuvials each have a number of special abilities and synergies that set them apart from one another. Illuvials can be combined with one another to produce a new beast and increase the power of the existing ones. The powers and characteristics of an Illuvial are considered to have a higher value when they are more distinctive. The platform can be utilized as a game of play to earn. Players have the opportunity to acquire Illuvium's native cryptocurrency, known as ILV, by completing in-game quests and special achievements, as well as by winning prizes in competitions and events hosted by the game. ILV can also be acquired by selling Illuvials and lands in the game's marketplace. This is another method for acquiring ILV. Players have the option of purchasing lands in addition to Illuvials, which allows them to increase the amount of territory they control within the game. According to the documentation provided by Illuvium, the platform has a feature that enables stackers to receive regular distributions of rewards, and stackers also have the right to vote on everything from questions concerning tokenomics to in-game features. Both of these aspects contribute to the platform's distinctiveness. Illuvium players are not bombarded by constant gas fees for every little change to their collection, which is not the case with other prominent earn-to-play games. The transactions also take place much more quickly, allowing players to maintain their concentration on the activities for which they came to this world: exploring, collecting, fighting, and earning. ILV was first offered for sale on CoinMarketCap on April 1, 2021, at a price of $47.31. Before beginning its consistent ascent in August 2021, when the platform was getting ready for the launch of its Auto Battler trailer in the following month, the price was bouncing between highs of more than $110 and lows of $30 on a daily basis. This occurred as the platform prepared for the release of the trailer. ILV had a gain of over 415% between the beginning of August 2021 and the beginning of November 2021, climbing from a price of $243.67 to a price of $1.267.07, which was an all-time high at the time. During this time, the coin was listed on a number of exchanges, including Binance, Qcoin, and Crypto.com, which helped boost its value. Illuvium had also launched an advent calendar in collaboration with DeQuest, a metaverse onboarding platform. According to the announcement, the advent calendar would reveal 25 days of activities in partnership with some of the most exciting players in #Web3. Partnerships that are a part of this event include the non-fiction trading card game, NFT, Play, 2, Earn game Fancy Birds, Carve, the platform for building ID infrastructure for gaming, and Polka Starter Gaming, a decentralized fundraising platform. The Illuvium price forecast raises an interesting question. What does it suggest? The algorithm-based forecasting service Wallet Investor gave a bearish ILV price prediction at the time of writing, December 9, noting that the coin was a bad long-term investment. This prediction was in line with the most recent downward price action. Your financial situation as well as your comfort level with taking risks will determine whether or not ILV is a good investment for you. The value of cryptocurrencies is highly volatile. Before you put your money into an investment, you need to do your own research and figure out how much of a risk you are willing to take. Investing should never be done with money that you cannot afford to lose. Now this is how you can buy Illuvium. Make sure you have a free account by signing up on the website or downloading the app. Your Binance account serves as a portal through which you can purchase cryptocurrency. However, in order to purchase Illuvium, ILV, you will first be required to open an account and have your identification verified. Create an account by using the Binance mobile app. Register by entering your email address on the website. You can sign up for the service by using your mobile number on the website. Pick the method that works best for you to acquire the Illuvium, ILV, asset. If you navigate to the top left of the Binance website and click on the link labeled by crypto, you will see a list of the different purchasing options that are available in your country. You should consider purchasing a stablecoin such as USDT or BUSD first, as doing so will improve the compatibility of your coins, and then using that coin to purchase Illuvium, ILV. Credit cards, debit cards, and checking accounts. If you are a first-time customer, this is the most convenient way to buy Illuvium for you, ILV. Binance is compatible with both Visa and MasterCard transactions. Instructions on using credit or debit cards to purchase cryptocurrency on website. B. Bank deposit. You can buy Illuvium with the money that you get from transferring fiat currency from your bank account to Binance and using that money, ILV. C. P2P trading. Utilizing Binance peer-to-peer platform, you are able to purchase Illuvium, ILV, from other users directly. D. Payment from a third party. There is more than one choice available for payment processing through third parties. Visit the Binance FAQ page in order to determine which of these are available in your country. Make sure you have a free account by signing up on the website or downloading the app. You have 1 minute left to confirm your order at the existing price before it is cancelled. After 1 minute has passed, the price of your order will be redetermined based on the most recent data from the market. You can view the updated order total by clicking the refresh button. Binance is a place where you can either store or use your Illuvium, ILV. That's it for this video. Do share your views with us in the comments and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching.